for 2012 oil change. I'm gonna show you where I jack my car right there. See right there? And this is I'm gonna show you basically the part numbers and where the parts are located too. So let's see. It's a good blurry. Right, that's where the oil filter is. I already took it out, down. It's right there. This is, I used the mobile before. Mobile 1. Part number is and 102A for 2012 XLT, and right here is where you bolt this right there. I'm gonna show you the camera if I can. It's right there. It's 13 millimeter, so you just lose it, you let it drain. Once it's done dripping, you just put it back, and then you take down your filter, which I already did. And this is pretty much what I mainly wanted to show you: the filter, the number, the part number, and this OEM, which is all original equipment manufacturer, which is Motorcraft, and this is the part number right here. It's right there. You see? Right there. Maybe I can show you the box. Okay, anyways, so what you do is just you see the gasket, the black ring that has in there, just lube it with oil too. Just with the finger, just go around and lube it. So then right here where my finger is gonna show you right there, so it's just right there. So when it gets really hot, it doesn't get stuck in here. So that's mainly the point where you want to put oil. So I'm just gonna put this baby in. Okay, and I'll use my other hand, right there. And from here, you just basically just tight it right there. See? Just one hand. You may want to use the other hand too, but you don't have to tie it like really hard. It just kind of snaps in, and that's pretty much it. So from here, so this is where your oil cap goes right here, and you can see it's calling for 5W20 synthetic oil. So before draining your oil pan, you take this out so then you can breathe the engine here. So then the oil flows better. It drains out faster than having this thing on. And so here's the dipstick. So let me put my camera down so then I can wipe this thing off. And so I just gonna show you. I'm gonna show you. You can see right there where it says MIN, minimum or max. So let's see. Then you see these little two holes right there. So your oil should be, when you change your oil, you should be right there in the middle. Never lower, never max over this little hole. where it says max right there. If you go over, then it's not good for your engine, but it should be right there in the middle, but never over, never low. Okay, so this car uses about 4.5 quarters. So this is the product that I've been using lately. So it's a Mag 1. It's in full synthetic oil. So this is pretty damn good. I've been using it lately, and I'm so happy with this product right now. And it's very cheap, like 25 bucks on eBay. So that's what I wanted to show you. The new oil that I've been using. Where the filter goes, where to drain the oil, and mainly the original filter, which is right here. The box is right here, so right there. So once you put your oil in there, just put like 4, and then put this thing in there, and then just keep checking till this thing shows that it's in the middle, it's wet in the middle. So right now it's dry because I haven't put any oil, but you may want to also when you check your oil, you have to have your car on a flat surface, so then the oil is sitting in the oil pan like flat level. So okay, so at this point I'm just gonna stop recording, and I hope it helps out anyone out there. For 2012 oil change, 520 for the oil, 4.5. I will start with 4 quarters, and then I go from there, and just keep like checking the dipstick how much it'll need. Okay, bye.